Hey, let's spend a couple of minutes today talking about the basic rules of self-defense in Washington State. Under RCW 9A.16.020, a statute which unfortunately looks a little like this, the right for you, the lawful and responsible citizen, to defend yourself or others in your presence is derived from RCW 9A.16.020 subsection 3. And while the statute again is horribly worded, what you really need to know is this, is that in Washington State, you have the right to use any force which is necessary, reasonable, and proportional to defend yourself or others in your presence or the property of yourself or others. Again, the force that we use has to be necessary, it has to be reasonable, and it has to be proportional. Necessary is that in fact it was necessitated by law because you were met with unlawful force or a threat of unlawful force. Reasonable in the sense that jurors would see your act of using force in defense of yourself or others as a reasonable act. And proportional, perhaps being the most important part, is that the force we use is no greater than what is reasonably necessary to ensure our safety or the safety of others. So, under RCW 9A.16.020 subsection 3, yes, you have the right to use reasonable, necessary, and proportional force to defend yourself, others in your presence, your property, or the property of another. Listen, for more detailed discussions about this topic, visit us over at YouTube. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you've been watching Bullet Points.